So, Robert Downey Jr. is Iron Man, but quite recently, he got a new mask. So, let's make it. Hi guys, my name's Liam, and today we're making a Dr. Doom helmet. There's a few reasons you might have clicked on this video. Either you're a fan of Dr. Doom, or you're hyped for the new Doomsday movie that's coming out later this year. But no matter what the reason, I'm going to show you how to make this pretty sweet helmet. So, let's get started. So, the first thing you're going to need is the files. And I might put a video over the screen showing the file on the computer, but I'm not going to really bore you with that. The file I used is from Do 3D. It's a really sweet Dr. Doom helmet. I will put an image on the screen. And yes, you do have to pay for it. It is currently, as of right now, $29 because it is on sale. So it's a great file. I will mind you that there are detail pieces that are really hard to print on an FDM printer. I wasn't able to get them out really well, and there were some of them that I wasn't able to print. But if you have a resin printer, it won't be a problem for you to pump those out on that. But now, let's head out to the garage and you can enjoy some time lapses with some good music. So yeah. And now we have put a coat of paint and primer on here. I'm probably going to let this dry until it starts getting tacky, and then put another coat on just to help fill any other little lines in there. But for the most part, now I'll just wet sand it again. I might need to use some more wood filler, because as you can see, there's some spots you can see through the paint that might get filled when I do another coat of this. But then once this is ready, I'll go wet sand that, and then we'll actually be able to paint it. But in case you're wondering why I'm doing a paint and primer when I just did wood filler, or why I'm not using more wood filler or filler primer, is, like I said, I'm never going to use this on anything else, most likely. So I'm using it for something now, and it's paint and primer, and it's thicker. So it does fill layer lines actually pretty well. It's not necessarily meant for sanding, but I can sand it down and I can get it pretty smooth. And then it'll be ready and really smooth for when I actually paint it. So, yeah. Okay, so I put some more paint on, and as you can see, where there was lines right here, I was able to build up the paint right there, and now you could still see like divots where it didn't evenly lay out. But now when I sand down, those lines should all be filled, and then once it's sanded, it'll be smooth, and then we can move on to paint. So, yep. So we're out here in the garage, and paint came out nice, really looks real nice, and we're gonna do graphite rub. So we got graphite powder, and I'm using a paper towel. So I'm gonna put the camera down and hopefully get a nice time lapse of me putting the graphite rub on. So that time lapse was cut a little short. For the most part, I got graphite powder on some parts, but it's also easier for me to just work without trying to film it. So I'm gonna finish doing the graphite rub, and then I'll meet you back inside. So, we're back inside. And now you should know how to make this pretty sweet Doctor Doom helmet. And here's some photos, really nice photos I got of it. Do you like them? I like them. I think they look pretty good. I think this helmet turned out pretty good. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And please don't get mad because I know I didn't do the best job of getting all the step-by-step filming stuff. I'm not great at that. I'm trying to get better. So if there's anything you'd like to see me film better in the next build video, please let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave a comment down below. And if you really enjoyed this video and you want to see more build videos or 3D printing content, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you stay up to date on all the crazy builds I make. So, thank you for watching, and I'm really happy if you made it to the end of the video. And you have a great day. Peace out.